Hello, beautiful people. My name's Anna. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's absolutely amazing to have you with me today, and I'm so excited to share with you today some of my favorite products that I'm loving at the moment. They're not new products, but they are my absolute loves, and this is an everyday look that I am just drawn to all the time at the moment. I thought I would share with you my favorite products. One of them is this beautiful Louis Vuitton compact, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Let me open it up for you, and here is the colors. Isn't it beautiful? This is Nude Mirage. This I just can't stop using. I literally can't stop using. It is absolutely so pretty and so beautiful. And look at those colors. Oh my gosh. I adore them so much. We're going to do a look with this today. And if you're interested in how we got this look on my 53-year-old hooded eyes, then please stick around. So I've got some foundation on now. I've done part of one of my eyes. And now I'm just going to pop on, I've got a little bit of bronzer and my eyebrows, and I'm just going to put a little bit of my favorite blush on now. This is absolutely beautiful, this YSL blush. It just gives such a beautiful glow to the skin. It's really smoothing, and it doesn't enhance my fine lines or any texture at all. It actually is quite smoothing on my texture. Yeah, it's really pretty. I love that. And then I've got a little bit more of my makeup by Mario in light medium, just to bronze up around the perimeter of my face a little bit under there. Blendy. Get rid of some of things that I don't want to emphasize. Pop a little bit on the nose, make my nose smaller. Now we're going to get into this beauty here. Ooh, Louis Vuitton, absolutely gorgeous. This is in Nude Mirage. Here we have Nude Mirage, absolutely stunning. Love these colors. We'll do a bit of a swatch for you. There's that one, this one. This beautiful heathery colour and this lovely and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colours. There we go. Have that beautiful chocolatey brown. There's a nice, lovely pinkish shift to this one. Absolutely gorgeous. This is sort of it's actually quite deceptive. It's really quite shimmery, but not shimmery. It's not sparkly. It's just so glowy and gorgeous, and this is a lovely sort of champagne-y colour as well. But all in all, these on the eye are just absolutely a dream to blend and absolutely look so stunning. Let's get in and recreate this side. On the other side, I'm going to start in with this colour here, and I like to just pop that all over the lid. So with hooded eyes, as you'll be able to see in just a sec, it's really important that we go a little bit above where we would normally place the eyeshadow. So if you have a look here, when I look straight ahead like that, you can't see a lot from behind the hood. So it's really important that I look straight ahead, I grab a bit of the colour, and I just sort of bend your head like this a little bit so that you can see above it, and place that colour just above where the crease is. This is just our first wash of colour, and that colour is just literally my favourite colour. This is a one and done. We could just leave it like that and we're done. Lovely, good to go. But I'm just going to add some depth into the outer corner there. I'm going to grab this awesome little brush from MAC. It's like a little pencil brush, and it's really good for taking that deeper colour and then popping it along the lash line there, and then up a little bit. Now the point of popping this colour here is actually to sort of deepen this hood, so the skin that hangs down over my eye a little bit there, we just want to, whatever we make darker, we actually end up pushing backwards. So we want to, as much as we can, push that hood back. Now it's okay if it doesn't look too blended at the moment. We'll blend that out and that will be fine. But it's good to be able to see it above the crease. I'll open my eye again properly in a second. You'll be able to see. See? You can see it. Beautiful. Excellent. So now we're going to pop a little bit of this colour here. And look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I love it. And it doesn't make my skin on my eyes look more crepey. It just looks smooth and shimmery. It's just so pretty, so beautiful. Now I'm going to grab a little bit of this lightest colour here. Pop a little bit of that into the corner. Okay, and also in above just on that brow bone there. Just check the two sides, make sure they're sort of matchy-matchy. They say that eyebrows should be sisters, not twins, but I think my actual eye makeup need to just be sisters, twins as well, because they never look exactly the same. So now we'll just I'm going to pop a little bit of this colour here underneath, just to join that up. A little bit more for this side. Beautiful. I'm just going to go in and do a little bit more final blending on both sides, just to get rid of any last harsh lines. That's pretty. There we have Nude Mirage, which is literally, I just can't get enough of it at the moment. For me, having worn it every single day since I bought it, everybody's got their own value that they place on things, but I absolutely love it. And it's a family heirloom now. My granddaughter, which is so cool. So I just put a little bit of this in the waterline or tight line. And then I like to make because I don't have a lot of lid space here, obviously, being hooded, but I do like to just put a little bit of depth in this outer corner, just there, because this really just adds that sort of depth behind the mascara when we put the mascara on. Put a little bit here, there we go. Same for this one, put on that just tight line there, a little bit of mascara, a little bit of eyeliner on that outer corner there. Beautiful. You can just blend it a little bit. Instead of drawing a line, you can see I just like to do little dotties. It's like join the dots. Because when you have sort of older eyelids, it's really good to not draw the line right across like that and drag it. It ends up skipping and then you end up getting little white bits. So we don't want that. I'm just going to go in and do a little final blend here. Lovely. Okay. Now we'll pop on some mascara. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Put that mascara on. Mascara is actually, I mean, a lot of people wear falsies, but I'm not a fan of falsies because they just I don't know, I can't seem to make them work. So I just use my trusty Chanel Le Lift mascara. Put a couple of layers on there. There we go. Lovely. Okay, now one thing I had forgotten to put on, which is, of course, my favourite Prada highlighter. Now this is absolutely divine. This is the champagne colour. And I'll just pop that on there. Highlight those top of the cheekbone. And a little bit here. And a little bit on the end of the nose. Look at that. Pretty. Pretty. Now I want to share with you my favourite lip combo at the moment. Get rid of any foundation on my lips. Now, you can see here it is still quite defined, but that's because I've got tattooing. I got tattooing done about 1 million years ago, so there's a remnant there still. So now I want to put on this amazing, now this is weird, I got this from another YouTuber. It's a Chanel eyeshadow in Contour Clair is the colour, and I'm going to pop that on as a sort of contour around my lips. So I like to just pop it around my lips like this, and then a little bit down the bottom, and then we just blend it out a little bit. A little bit of the Contour Clair, the Chanel colour, around the edges of the lips. See, it instantly makes them a little bit more pouty. Then what I'm going to put on now is the beautiful Milky Way lip balm by Louis Vuitton, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'll just pop a swatch here as well. So it's quite bright. It's actually a lot brighter than I thought it was going to be perfectly honest. But it's really odd. I never thought that this would be a great combo either. But popping it with this contour is really pretty. Have a look. So it's really smooth. It's smoothing, but it's not shiny. It smells beautiful too. It's got that beautiful minty smell. It's actually quite a bit brighter than I thought it was going to be. It's got that sort of purpley tinge, but you can see with the combination with that contour colour, it looks really, really pretty. And something that I've been really loving at the moment, that's the Louis Vuitton. Absolutely gorgeous. Love this. Look, so satisfying. The other thing that I've been enjoying doing is mixing. I love mixing. So I love mixing my satin lipstick, my Louis Vuitton satin lipstick in Beige Machina. I don't know how to say that, but anyway. So I love to pop this over the top, and it is this beautiful, everyday, gorgeous combo that I just love. It's just the most beautiful combination and now in Australia here we are in summer at the moment, so it's absolutely stinking hot. This is a beautiful summer colour and I'm absolutely loving it. This is my everyday makeup. This is my everyday look for work and for whatever I'm doing. I hope that you enjoyed having a look at the beautiful Louis Vuitton eye palette and the lipsticks. I hope that you enjoy, and I hope you have an awesome day. Thank you for bearing with me in my first ever video, and I hope that I see you again, that you might want to stick around and join me on my journey as I explore makeup and K-pop and all my favourite things. Thanks. Bye.